Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is February the 12th, 2021. We're going to give you all an update on Golden Nugget, get the expectation as to where we're seeing the trap trying to go so that we can maintain that we are in position to capitalize on his price movement. Now, before I go into that and look at this simulated portfolio, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. You want to make sure that you tap that bell notification as well so you do not miss out on any of our stock price predictions that we are creating and delivering right here. So let's talk about this simulated portfolio real quick. Just want to do a very quick snapshot, let you all see of some of the stocks that were picked for the long term. You guys can check them out. We have a playlist for each and every one of these stocks, and you can listen to what we talked about as to why we chose to include them in our simulated portfolio. You guys can see that the gains since we added them to the portfolio is right here, and we have 3 of them that currently is down. 9.21 for Alchemy, EQT 1.87, and Tech Standard Group TGH down 2.25. So everything else you guys can see is giving us some gains since we added them to the portfolio, which is very good and positive to see overall. So now let's take a look at Golden Nugget. Take a look at Golden Nugget real quick. You can see that we did a price prediction, right there on the 28th of January with the expectation to see this market go lower. Initially, after we concluded this prediction, the market in Golden Nugget went a little bit higher, but we had our ultimate restriction area around 21. $20 held back the price from going higher. We're still seeing the movement to the downside right now. So are we still in a weakness phase into the market in Golden Nugget? We need to address that today for this market. So overall, considering that we are here in the green, I'm just going to go ahead and take this one off and take it as a profit, 4.71%. Congratulations if you were to take it out the market right now. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. Get us a fresh look at the particular price chart in Golden Nugget. And the first thing, can you all see, are we breaking that ascending line right now in Golden Nugget? Is the overall trend in Golden Nugget weak? Which trend do you all think the trap is creating, or which one do you think he is following? Do you think he's following this descending line, or do you think he is following this ascending line based off what occurred in the last 3 or 4 trading days? What do you all think? Let us know with your comment in the comment section as to what you think the trend is that the trap is following. Let's go ahead and get rid of this, and let's take a look at the market on a different time frame real quick. I'm going to look at Golden Nugget on a 3-day time frame. You guys can see that generally the market is weak, but even though the market currently is giving us some weakness, this area right here we need to really focus in on, which is $17. That area needs to be maintained as support. It might dip a little bit lower than 17, maybe around like $16.85, give or take. But this is the vicinity that we need to watch for the trap to come in and prop up the market. He has to come in and step in and start buying this particular stock around $17, maybe a little bit lower than that. Okay, in order for us to see a resumption to higher price. Let's get rid of this ascending line, because right now, when you look at the chart in Golden Nugget, you just don't see that much emphasis right now in terms of where this particular stock is headed higher. It is not present. 5-day time frame, this current 5-day price bar definitely emphasizes that we need to be on guard for $17, because if not, we're going to come all the way back down towards $16 to $16.25, and God forbid the market in Golden Nugget comes all the way back down to 15. Okay, so we're just simply tracking the market. We're anticipating where the trap is going to come in and try to prop up this particular price. Looking at Golden Nugget on the weekly time frame, again, the market generally is weak. The market has to break price above this $19 area before we will have to change that perception that the market is weak. So this is not hard, it is not complicated. And the way that we can see to start that perception to change of the market going lower to one going higher, the trap needs to come in and prop up the price at 17. So we're going to be on the lookout for that this upcoming work week, this upcoming trading week for Golden Nugget, to see if he's going to be successful at propping up the market in Golden Nugget around $17. But for the moment, we got to follow the man's lead. And he is telling us that there is no demand in the market for Golden Nugget. So let's do this. We're going to play the weakness into the market in Golden Nugget again. Okay. Now it's not going to be much because we already identified that in order for the market to stop going lower, he could come in and prop it up around $17. So that's where we're going to TP the market at in Golden Nugget. Right there around, I'm not saying precisely exactly at $17, but in that vicinity. Okay. Be on the lookout for that. Now, if we break $17 on weakness, then we understand that the downtrend is still in play and that the market is not going to go higher anytime soon, and that the next area of support is going to be right here around $16 and ultimately $15. No lower than $15. We go lower than $15, this particular stock is definitely in a downtrend, in a bearish market if we break $15. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. We said that $19 is going to be restriction, so we're going to hold that there for restriction ultimately. Now we said we would TP. TP simply means take profit around 17. I'm going to lower it down just a tad, which is around, let's do $16.25. Okay, right around that vicinity. Now, definitely we are eyeing $17 though. Okay. And that's it. We're in position. This is our expectation as to what we expect the trap to do over the next couple of trading days. Now it's your turn. I mean, what do you all think about the market in Golden Nugget? Do you expect us to see the weakness continue, or do you expect the trap to come in and prop the market up around $17 like we are? Or do you expect the market to have a breakout, break $19 to the upside, and see a massive bullishness to occur in this space? Let us know your thoughts. Let us know your prediction about Golden Nugget and what is your position as to where you think the market is headed. And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.